Albemarle, North Carolina. Drew and crew have made it. Pick up some material, head to the job. The Travelers. Check out our Traveler playlist. Loading up. Loading up. Getting some of that high dollar OSB at Lowe's. All right, everybody. It's actually pretty early in the day, but it's the hot part of the day. We're gonna call it a day. We have got quite a bit done today. As you've seen, the OSB sheeting is all installed with that beautiful 6-inch overhang that we do. The rubber is up on the roof and clamped on for the night.
Only thing I don't have, I don't have enough metal for gutters.
Make them out of black.
There may be a piece long enough in the trailer. Yeah, yeah.
Make them out of black.
White in that box up there in the front corner.
I don't care, but most of the metal is bent. We feel safe about this, so we're going to leave this right here for the night. It's going to be hot tomorrow. It's going to be hot tomorrow. We're not going to have that break we had like we had this morning. You know, you're not going to have that break we had this morning. All right, so we're in Albemarle. This is going to be our last day on the job. I get there, forgot my GoPro. Thank goodness we're only 15 minutes from the job, 16 minutes. And
in 1 mile, turn right into the parking lot.
A can of spray paint at Lowe's because we like to paint our vents black. So when I get back to the job, between filming, cleaning up the vents, and painting them, that's my job. Everybody else is slamming on metal right now. And we're gonna finish this thing today. So thanks for watching, and watch all the way to the end. I have a message. All right, so it is Wednesday, May 26th, and we're gonna finish this job we have here in Albemarle, and hopefully head home either this afternoon or in the morning, just according to how the guys feel. But like I said, wait till the end of the movie. I have a message, and read the description, please, down below. I have a message, and I look forward to talking with everybody real soon. On our next one, because we like getting better and making it look better every time, and Chris came up with a good idea to put white turn bar screws down here at the bottom so they blend in. All right, so on this side, we've already ran the metal. We're taking advantage of the cloud cover today because today is going to be the hottest day of the year in Albemarle, North Carolina. That's a little rain gutter for over the doorway. How cool is that? Well, all we need here is glue down that rubber, run our termination bar. We'll be heading home.
Man, Bill. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm doing that. Really tight on that. That's good, then. Huh? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. Bert, you good? Okay, yeah, Bert looks great. That actually landed perfect. Wow.
As long as I don't say anything negative, say no. Box and box. I don't say ho.
Oh.
Box and looks perfect.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice metal bends. All of them come out the same. It's very nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. That smooth looks pretty good to me.
Yeah. Down that does.
Better than the black.
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't like that black. To be honest
Yeah, I
with you.
didn't like the black.
I'm not a fan of the black. I probably won't use it unless the customer asks for it.
You like? Yeah.
Couldn't imagine black on white anyway. But they got some ideas. They got stuff going on at their place. They're, you know. I mean, you know, they got something in mind. So. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We used to do. Go back and look at my earlier videos. See that gutter right there? Well, we used to run our plywood just to the edge of it, and then roll that down. Let the rubber hang into the gutter, and terminate on top of the. Just below the plywood that we installed on the roof with termination bar down through there, and you can still see the gutters and they're actually still there. But when we ran into a bunch of them that are rotted, and you know, we either had to replace them in order to do the roof or something else, we decided to try this overhang and just get rid of them, and it worked. So that's how we came across doing it this way. It's a lot cheaper the other way because you know, adding all this extra outside metal and all this kind of stuff. So you can do it cheaper than this, and it's still a nice job. It just doesn't look as good, and that's the only reason why I do it this way. It doesn't look as good the other way. So.
This is
Happy. See? She likes hers better than she likes her sister's. Her sister's on
Okay.
the moon roof. We did our sister's in Ocala.
Going up.
Ocean out.
Ocean out. Cutting that metal. Can't see it.
We almost had a big one,
I'm learning. I've got this.
You know,
I'm walking this one. We cut this drip edge off on that end down there. All stuff fit flat. And still got a little bow up. Tell you where you need to be at.
Okay. All right. Just making sure. Oh yeah, you got to be.
I realize the ladder's going to get pushed out. Maybe I might not, but the ladder will.
Yeah, right? Yeah, your feet.
Face first.
Your feet push it out.
I learned that quick. I never do that yet.
Oh, yeah.
If I can't hold on, I won't push.
No.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
That's beautiful.
Do your boxes? What? Your boxes? Yep.
Set inside the track. That's going to look good. Fold that end around. Nails. That's cool, Billy. I think that's plenty of it.
All right, it's in 2 videos.
Then a couple roots in that thing when you go through here.
That's what I'm working on.
All right. Paul's coming around now.
Hi, Bill.
Nice job, man. Nice and tight and sweet.
Outside.
Drill.
Outside.
good magnet.
That was so cool.
Hey, Paul. Okay.
Uh-oh. Send text messages to 910-294-1761. Paul's the only one that can bend his knees like that, so
I'm screwed.
he's the only one that can bend his knees like that. And me for about 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna fall off the roof. Termination.
Neil, we are done.
The coolest part is gonna be cutting off that excess rubber and exposing the fascia. We'll do that here shortly. It's a beautiful thing. Just so everybody knows, we are in Albemarle. Obviously, you've heard that 10 times on this video. North Carolina, and we did her sister's roof in Ocean Isles Beach, North Carolina, which is our neighborhood. It is actually Brunswick County, the same county that we live in. And so her sister loved her so much, she told her sister about it in Albemarle, seen a few of my videos, and here we are, the travelers, Albemarle, North Carolina.
You got one there? Huh? One there? One right up here somewhere. Right over there.
Looks mighty good. Paul get the rest of them from up here. He's better than you guys trying to reach over anymore. Okay, Bill? Let Paul get him.
I think they got a water leak over here.
Oh, that's probably me. I'm sorry. Am I dripping on you?
No.
Oh, look here. There's a shitload of water down here.
Oh, wow. Look at that. I wonder where that came from. Huh.
Where was it at?
What? What was there?
There's another one there.
Water pipe?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope we didn't hit one. Look.
No, that's come up on his house.
I know.
Vent pipe. Vent pipe.
No water. Hit this damn water line. Now it's leaking down through the house.
No.
The back room's flooded. Nobody's home.
We got no water up here.
It's
No.
garden.
No, we need to cut a hole there.
Yeah.
We got to cut it out. So I'm just going to put it there faking.
I agree. Edit.